Did anyone else purposely pick the kid who couldn't read during popcorn reading at school? Like, I know this sounds evil, but I would always do it to mess with my friend. Because I remember the teacher would always ask who wants to read first, and I would raise my hand because I liked reading. But the moment I finished my page and it was time for me to pick a different person to read, everyone knew exactly who was gonna be up next because I picked the same person every time. The funny part is, my friend always knew I was gonna choose him because while I was reading, he would ask to go to the bathroom or try to come up with an excuse to leave class. But the teacher would always be like, no, class just started. You don't need to go to the bathroom. So I'd pick him and he would just be reading in like 0.5 speed. I also did this because since he was slow to read, it took up more class time. Looking back at it though, I was an evil kid. I'm sorry for making you